What's going on, Live More representatives and fans? I hope since the last video you've been out living more. In this video, I was out on a job. I had a couple of people suggest that whenever I'm out fishing on jobs, I should record videos. So I was in Pennsylvania, first ever time in Pennsylvania, first ever time trout fishing in Pennsylvania. So I was lucky enough to have my fly rod and everything with me, and got to meet some really cool people. Being that, you know, fishing here at the Chattahoochee River, there are some big trout, but most of the time you're catching like 12 inches is about going rate for average fish. There's obviously outliers and everything like that, but those are the ones that I've always been accustomed to catching. So here you'll see in the video I got to catch some really nice trout, and you'll be able to tell from my reactions that they're not what I'm used to catching. So enjoy the video and let me know what you think. Got one. Those trout are built different here. I'm from Georgia. This is my first ever trout on a, well, first ever fish in Pennsylvania. Oh no! My sister lived in Augusta for a few years. What'd you say? Yeah, there's a lot of it's not as nice as it used to be. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can't remember what it was that my sister did over there. That was heartbreaking losing that fish. Man. Yeah. That dude had some shoulders. Oh, come on, man. I mean, I know there's fish right here because I caught one. Or, well, there were fish. I don't know about anymore. I got a fish right there. And it's a good one. Another good one. It's not as big as the other one, but still a good fish. Come on. I need you to go upstream. He's trying to get in the main current. If I can get him to this, I'd be money. Come on. Get over in this. Get over in this where there's no current. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Here he is. Come on. Man, these fish got some shoulders. Talking about killing an arm. Every time I get him close. Every time I get him close. Oh shit. That was a big run. Nope, don't want to do that. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes. He's right here, he's right here, he's right here. I got him! Oh my god, he's up. He is a absolute hammer. No, no. There, back on the water. Okay, I gotta get over here. I gotta get over here. Ew, ew. Okay, I expected this to be not what it is. No, the ground, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Let's go! Shit, my shoe is stuck. Okay, we're gonna try to back up. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. I need more solid ground. I need more solid ground. There we go. Okay. Oh man. Well, I mean, that's fine. I wanted to... Oh, I can't do a video while we're on the phone. That's okay. Yeah, I really want to get a release on this fish. I love you too. Let him. There he goes. That's so cool. Alright, let's take a quick pause. If you're liking the content, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment. It helps out a bunch. Only takes a couple of seconds. If you have any recommendations or anything like that that I can do with the content, please let me know. I read the comments and I'm trying to get better and just produce the best quality stuff that I can for you guys. So leave a like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe with the bell notification on if you like what you're seeing. Alright, let's get back to the video. Got another one. Too far. Guy feels like a good one. There he goes. Oh yeah. Oh shit, he's running at me. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Got him. What happened? Where? Where the hell? Yes. Yeah. Look at that fish, guys. Yeah, that's a good looking fish. Another just absolute tank. Alright, guys. That's number 2. Look at her go. That's so this rod. Whoa, man, that's right up to the frickin', right at the bottom of the testiculars. Okay, Muffin, I love you. Bye, Muffin. Yes. He's barely hooked. Yes. Awesome. Look at that fish, guys. Oh. He is. Oh man, he got away. He's right there. Dang, he had fishing line coming out of his butt. Work this one a little bit faster. That was really bad. Got one. No, no, he's swimming at me. He's swimming at me. And he's on the reel. Fuck, he's swimming right at me. Where's the net? Where's the net? No, no, no. In. No, no. Yes, I got it. Here, fishy, fishy. Oh, that's a good one. All right, upstream. Okay, well, he is not having this. All right, now if he wants to run, he's got. There we go. I'm gonna say he's on the drag, so. Right. Oh, it's a brown. That is a big brown. Let's go, new species. Not only is he a big brown, he is a pissed brown. Very mad. Very mad. No, no, no. I need the hemostats on this one. Come here. Damn, his fucking teeth are sharp. Whew. Chill, chill. I've almost got it. There it goes. Got it. All right. Look at that brown, guys. Holy crap. Yeah, that's a good brown. That is a really good brown. Yeah, nothing like what we catch back home.
All right.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you've got to this point of the video, you've seen how my trip to Pennsylvania went. It was extraordinary. I definitely plan on going back with Rachel, and if she doesn't want to go, I definitely plan on going by myself at the absolute minimum. I know I've already talked to her. She can't wait to go. So hopefully that'll be a trip in the upcoming future that we'll be able to do. If you liked what you saw, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe button. Helps out a bunch. And like always, make sure you live more. Catch y'all next time.